Oh! Cyclist's worst nightmare. Here's the campsite right by the kitchen, so once again, snap it up the table, shelter, and just in case this thunderstorms roll in, can head under there. Hello, I have started the Orange and Villages bicycle trail along Main Street. Post office, some old buildings. So there's the IGA, pop in, stock up. There's the lime and stone, nice coffee place, lunch. Not the greatest of starts on this busy highway. Some more of the animals on bikes trail sculptures. No signs going this way, but look on the back of that picture, that's a sign. So the trail seems to be marked only one way. Good morning. Hasn't really started well. Last night rain, and the rain coming through the tent. And then when it's not raining, we had the trucks going past that campground. So I left the highway, thank goodness for that. I'm on this quiet country road. Hasn't started well because the signage was non-existent coming to Orange. So I'm hoping that improves. But I'll be looking out for the round signs on the poles going the other way. No trains. First winery, first gravel road. Cha-ching. Big one, then first. It keeps going. Might be a 200-meter climb. I'm sure it's not the last I will face today. That is today's destination. Just the other side of that is Orange, but that's Mount Canobolas. Big one. All right, that's a bit better view. Downhill now. Pretty cool on the round haystacks. Not happy. So once again the sign's going the other way. So that's very disappointing. That it seems to be a one-way trail, which doesn't suit everybody, does it? Head downhill. Hold on. It's letterbox day. Made it to Boronor! How exciting! Just thought I'd take this kangaroo off the road. Looks like it's very recent. Last night or early this morning. At the Boronor railway station. Still got their old signs, but it doesn't look like any trains stop here anymore. In the general waiting room. I'd say next room. This is the third time crossing this railway line. Goes to Orange from Molong. So this is Nashdale. Where is the green sheep? There's the green sheep. Canobolas Lake. Been done up, I think, since the last time I was here, if I was here. Dam Walk. And this is the Lakeside Kiosk and Cafe. Guess what? That's where I'm going. Morning tea. Look at this valley. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Red bodies, blue wings. Climbing up to Mount Canobolas. We're already at 900, so, and I just left the lakeside cafeteria. Had 2 cups of tea and scrambled eggs on toast. Breakfast is served for 12. Anyway, rather nice. I'm not sure how high we actually go, so but go through, I would say, another 100 meters up more through a gap. Well, me, that was a hard climb. 8%, 9% for at least 2-3 kilometers. Not sure where to look. I'm trying to look at the camera. All right, I'm at the crest. First, all the way, and crest means downhill from now. Might just stop at the resting area, have a quick drink. I've emptied out my 1 litre spare bottle, so won't need that. Just do what the professionals do. All right, Major Mitchell, pass through here, whoever he is. All right, signing off. Here's rest stop on the top. So 1,126 meters. Wow. We're down to Orange. In the rain. In top gear. Turn on. I'm here at the official starting point of the Orange and Villages Bicycle Trail. Orange to Molong, so we come 56 kilometres to this point, and I'm sure we're at climb the highest. So I started at Molong and went to Borinor. We went to the railway station there, and now in Orange. So which way do I go?